How to change region on TikTok. First things first, open up your TikTok app on your phone. Once you're in TikTok, look for the Me button. It's usually down at the bottom right corner. Give it a tap to go to your profile. Alright, now look up at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines. That's where all the settings hide. In the menu that pops up, you'll see a bunch of options. Look for Settings and Privacy and give it a tap. Now, you'll see a list of different settings. One of them should be Account. Go ahead and tap on that one. Scroll down a bit until you see Account Information. It's where all your basic account stuff leaves. Tap on it to dive in. Almost there. In the Account Information section, you'll find Account Region. Tap on that one. It's what we're here for. Now, you'll see a list of countries or regions. Scroll through until you find the one you want to switch to. Give it a tap, and you're done. And that's a wrap. You're all set to explore TikTok from any corner of the globe. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And hey, why not subscribe for more helpful tips? Until next time, happy scrolling and keep spreading those TikTok vibes.